My name's Sean. If you don't know that already, I don't usually say it on my videos, but I figured I would kind of introduce myself. This is my walking channel, and I haven't been on this channel for a while. I've been wanting to do it. I got a new phone, so I could do it again. It is very windy right now, so I don't know if it's very windy on the phone. I'm hoping the iPhone 17 is a little bit better with the dialogue. I figured we walk around. I like this dual feature where you can see me. You know, you see me talking to you guys while I'm walking around. I injured my back yesterday or 2 days ago now, I think. Feels like, yes, I don't know. My sleep's all messed up because I slept a whole ton the day I injured my back. So it's really hard to walk right now. Got a bus driving by. I got this channel is demonetized because I don't have 244 hours on it. So I figured I'd start doing these little walk and talk, ask me anything kind of videos. If you guys have questions for me to answer on future streams or future videos, let me know in the comments, not on the live stream. If you just watched my premiere for the Pop Fun to Play in the store cleanup video, thank you for watching. I figured I'd test this thing where we'll have the premiere lead into a walk and talk video, which I think would be a kind of fun way to grow this channel again. Now we'll see if the audio is all right with the wind blowing or if it sounds horrible. We're testing the new camera just to see how well it works. I didn't think it's early in the morning. We got all the school buses driving around. So we're walking around Williamsburg Brooklyn today. I figured I'd go to the park. I might not be able to walk too far though, because my back is kind of killing me. But I really wanted to do this video because I'm having fun doing videos again. Last year is a really bad year for my family and myself. So everything kind of fell apart. And I figured this is the time, this is the year that we're going to start trying to get everything going again. I have the comic channel still going pretty strong. We're doing every Saturday comic sort in the basement, comic haul videos, which is super fun. That's my favorite thing to do. And then I'm looking around and I don't know how well I look. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking in front of me as I walk so I don't walk into anything. I'm gonna walk up to the next street because this street's kind of busy with cars and stuff. Ooh, it's chilly today too. So yeah, no, the comic channel I still enjoy. That's my favorite thing. That one I've been keeping going for the last year. But Pop Fun to Play, I stopped for like a year and a half, just because every time I post videos, it get kind of it wasn't doing well. It wasn't getting enough views for me to feel like it was worth my time. But I just started. Was it been 3 weeks now? I just started doing my store cleanup videos. I figured it's a way to kind of motivate me to film something while getting work done. I'm having a lot of fun doing those videos. I feel like I'm getting some work done. I think they're kind of entertaining. I think you guys think they're entertaining. Sometimes I'm just like, am I really that entertaining? You know, everyone, you know, it's good to self-doubt yourself a little bit. And even though you self-doubt, still push through and get the things you want to get done. Because then that's how you can find some success. You just have to actually get out and do it. All right, someone's washing their garbage cans this morning. Look at these entertaining garbage cans. Entertaining garbage cans. So yeah, I want to start doing 10 or 20 minute walks, like little teeny videos, not big long streams, until you can rebuild this channel. I got demonetized. I need 4,000 watch hours to get the monetization back on. I think we're currently at 244. I'll put it up on the screen right here. We can see where we're at. And as I do each of these little streams, I will update where we are for the year. Need 4,000 over, what is it, 365 days. My biggest problem is that the previous live streams aren't evergreen. What would happen is when I live stream, they would do well, but then the videos just die after the live stream. So I decided I need to do actual just streams that just continue to stay on the channel, because then those actual little videos should, in theory, continue to get views after the fact. And that's what I need. I just need some evergreen content that continues to get some views to keep the views coming in, because I have enough subscribers on the channel. I don't have the watch time hours, and the live streams just do not continue to get views. So that's the plan. We're gonna do these little walk and talks. I can talk about, you know what I like about this channel? It lets me rant and rave if something's bothering me without feeling judgment, because I feel like you guys come in here, you guys are my friends and you give me lots of support. I love it. I can celebrate my things that are super exciting for me. I don't know why, I'm kind of a sucker for mannequins in windows. I like the way it looks. I like fashion. Fashion's cool. I like fashion windows. So when I'm walking and talking, I get distracted by store windows. But I can celebrate my achievements, things that make me happy. I can rant and rave when things are bothering me. I can set goals. I can brainstorm with you guys. We got some trash over here that's very loud. Loud trash. So we're gonna go this way. We can look for street candy pirates. I'm sure they're still out and about. We haven't really been looking for a while. We can look for abandoned chairs. I feel like every time we took a walk, we'd find like 2 to 5 chairs out. This one's for free. Some of them are free. This is what I call a Brooklyn garage sale. People just put signs that say free and they put something out. That's how you get stuff in Brooklyn. Think about it. The apartments in this area are super expensive. I think the cheapest ones are like $2,500 to $3,000 a month. So basically, I mean, you're gonna sit outside and do a garage sale for, make a couple $100s for that day, or you just if you need to get rid of stuff, you just put it outside and write free on it. That's why I find cool stuff out on the sidewalk and I don't find it gross. I once did a live stream where I grabbed a box of DVDs someone had donated to the neighborhood, and someone's like, ew, that's disgusting. I'm like, no, that's a Brooklyn garage sale. If you're okay buying used stuff from people on a table, then if you're in Brooklyn, you should be okay with someone putting a box that says free. I mean, I guess it's an unwritten rule. If you're getting rid of stuff and it's garbage, you put it in a garbage bag. If you're getting rid of stuff, but you think it's nice stuff that someone would enjoy, you put a sign that just says free on it. So you can kind of distinguish the trash if it's worth grabbing or if it's just trash. You know what I miss too? Looking for garage sales. I haven't been out this year. I miss like looking for signs like this and seeing if there's gonna be garage sales. Oh, there's another. What's up with these trucks? 2 really loud trucks out today. I'm trying to walk down streets without people so that I'm not stalking them on video as I walk around with you guys. Got some pretty flowers. So, what are my goals so far on the comic channel? My goal is to clean out the basement. Not clean it out, organize it. Right now it's got, because last year was so bad, things kind of just fell apart and I stopped working on things. So I'm hoping to kind of get the basement cleared out or cleaned up and make an area so that I can do Whatnot streams again. I need to do Whatnot. I need to get more income coming in. I need more income so I can keep up with bills, and so I want to do a lot more content. I need money to do content. I can't really do convention videos if I can't afford to go to the conventions. And not even so much the cost of them. My wife's always saying, why don't you just go and you film? And then that just becomes work. I know I'm not doing it for work. I want to actually go hunt for things. I like to film while hunting, because that's fun. If I have zero budget to actually hunt, and I'm just going to film something, then it becomes a job that pays me very little and I'm not having fun with that. So, set it up. I want to make it so that I can easily do Whatnot streams. I want to figure out a way to sell comics on Whatnot. I want to do like a $5 for $5 auctions. So it kind of has, I'm hoping sometimes it gets bid up so I get more than $1 a book. But if most of them only sell for $1 a book, I like the idea of bringing a dollar bin to Whatnot. And then the store I am cleaning up, and as you just watched, I realized the cleaning up's not really going to help me get that much more sales. It'll help me sell a few things. The cleaning up is giving me room to put more things in there, but the main thing is I need to restock things that are actually sellable. I need to somehow get Pokemon packs. I have no idea how to do that right now. All my normal sources, I just can't get them. I might look for some bulk rares, bulk VMAXs and stuff, so I can sell those for like $3 to $5. And I need to get some Magic the Gathering packs that I can get. And I need to restock the stickers, I believe. Let's see, trading cards. I don't know. And as I've been saying, like, Funko Pops still sell in spurts. You know, I'll have a $300 sale there, and then they won't sell for 2 days, then I'll have a $50 sale. And so just like, it's not solid enough for me to pursue a big $5,000 collection like I was buying and selling a few years ago. But I'm not done with them, so I'm not 100% sure what to do. Because they're still selling. They're still selling better than comics. And comics are my favorite thing. And like, I buy and sell them just because I love them. But they're not profitable. And some people might say they're not profitable because you don't sell the key issues. That's true. Or maybe that's true. But I also find that I have a hard time selling key issues because most people want to buy the key issues for a fraction of their value. So then I have to sell them online. And if I have to sell them online, they're just a lot more work. If I have to spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes listing them, that's just way too much work for me. And I'm not looking for more work. I'm looking for more enjoyment in life right now. So I don't really like to sell key issues anymore. I kind of just hold on to them. And one day that'll be like, when I'm ready to retire, I might spend 5 years just focusing on key issues. Oh, this is sad. It's this is a Brooklyn yard sale after the mass. Someone was giving away books and then they look like they've been rained on or something. But yeah, that's what you want. Like, when you want fresh though, you don't want them after they've been rained on. Brooklyn garage sale. Oh, I found another Brooklyn garage sale. Brooklyn garage sale. This is what I'm saying. People clean up. They just put their stuff out on the curb, and sometimes you can find really good stuff. Sometimes it's kind of trashy. But usually if it's trash, people throw it in a trash bag. That's kind of what I want to do. I want to start walking around looking for cool stuff again, looking for sidewalk sales, garage sales. Just start doing those. So maybe I'll just do that as a regular walking video every weekend and not worry about the stream. Because sometimes all the coordination of trying to do the stream, setting up, making sure the streaming software works without it becoming like a big hassle where things don't work and like I get frustrated. I'm trying to make things a little bit easier so I do more of it. I want to do a lot more of these walking streams. Well, for now we're going to do the walking and talking videos, and then hopefully, once I can get everything kind of working again, I'll try to do the live streams. Kind of hoping the iPhone 17 streams better, because I was having problems with the battery. The battery lasts a lot longer on this. I filmed the other day when I was filming the comic video in the basement. I filmed for like 3 hours straight. So I was actually able to go a long time before the phone just died. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get around that truck. Let me cross over this way. Okay, yeah, my back is killing me. It is hard to do these things. But yeah, my stamina was weak too because I was sick 4 or 5 times over the winter. And just having a really hard time functioning. Like, I feel my brain has slipped a little bit. Where I don't know if it's just the stress of everything, my ADHD just going crazy or what, but I keep forgetting certain names and stuff. I've always been bad with names though. That's just normal for my brain. It's just extra worse. But also my stamina is weak, so I need to get back walking as well. And that's why I started the walking channel in the first place, because I found myself just walking around kind of in my own thoughts, just thinking the worst things, and it wasn't fun. I would just like get depressed after walking. But when I started doing streams with you guys, it would be so positive and awesome. So that's what I want to get back to. I want to get back to doing the streams. Well, there's a lot of garbage being picked up this morning too. This is a weird hour. It's I think it's like 6:30, 7 o'clock. Usually I would walk late at night, so this is just a weird time to be walking. I just figured, I used to do the late nights because I felt like that was better for audiences, or just it's something I could do at a weird time of day where I was just free to walk and nothing else. But since this is a pre-recorded video, I figure I could just do it at any time. I don't need to have it at a specific time of day if I'm pre-recording it. And then I'll just go edit it out later and just make it a nice, swift video. So I guess let me know in the comments too what kind of places in the neighborhood you want me to go visit, or what things to look out for. I need to figure out how to do 10-20 minute videos on this channel that has content that's interesting for you guys that you'll watch. Trying to just show you traffic and things I gotta wait for the cross. All right, I can cross now. Ooh. I can go straight, but if I have to bend down, then my back is like, argh. Actually, wait, let's go over this way a block. So over on the corner of this building in like 2004, I believe, there was a junk store that used to have 50-cent comics. I loved it. I must have bought, I don't know, 500 to 1,000 comics over a month or two. This is a vintage clothing store with like really cool window displays. Very neat. We'll take a little look at this window display. Is kind of neat. I think that's cool. But yeah, this place down here used to have comics. Now it's a different thrift store. Oh man, I kind of miss a really good junk store. Although we have E.T., which is kind of cool. E.T. I think it was run by a mother-son duo, but the mother is kind of high-strung, and I think the son quit selling with her. And she still has a store over here, but I can't shop at it because she's always yelling at people. It drives me a little bit nuts. I don't feel welcome and comfortable in that store. That's all. That's what I'm saying. I feel unwelcome, and like I love junk, so I want a store where I feel welcome to dig through your junk. That's the way it should be. Okay, I'm trying to think of what else. I guess my point is just leave me some comments of what things you want to see in these videos. I want to do 1 or 2 10 to 20 minute videos a week. Just kind of rebuild the walking channel until I get to those 4,000 watch hours. I'll put an update every time we do a video just to see where we're at so we can keep track, have a little fun with that. I can set other goals. Oh, that's a fun little kitten graffiti art up there. I don't know how well you can see it, but that looks cool. I like that. That's neat. I don't know, I'll show you cool things if I see them in the neighborhood as I'm walking around. Oh yeah, my lower back is starting to kill me though. So maybe this is a bad idea. Bad idea for my back, good idea for my brain. Sometimes you gotta fight through the physical pain to accomplish the mental things you want to accomplish. I don't know, this is kind of hard to do without you guys in the chat. I would walk and you guys would start asking me questions, or you would see something I miss and we get into these fun conversations. I really miss that. Hopefully we can get back to that soon, but like I said, I gotta rebuild this channel. I gotta get to that 4,000 watch hours. Once I do that, it'll be great. I got with the Billie Eilish posters. We got some graffiti. That art looks kind of cool, actually. Really like that. They're gonna get a little hungry seeing some of the restaurants around here. All right, across. We have another chair. This one's just someone's chair chained to the thing. That's not a trash chair. It is funny. There's a mattress though. It is funny how many chairs we find while we're walking around, especially on a garbage night. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it there because my back is just acting up and I can't walk so much. But you know, let me know what you want to see me do on this channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching my full long video and this shorter premiere. And hopefully I'm back on this channel regularly. All right, talk to you soon.